Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will draw the symbol of aeroplane. So select the size 72, then type 2708 in any color. Then press Alt X from the computer keyboard. See, it's how it's works. Alt plus X. Now you can see the aeroplane here. I will be showing again. 2708. Alt plus X. 2708. 2708. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more videos, and comment me which video do you want for and which symbol do you want to draw in MS Word. Thank you.